Hi everyone, this is Sanjay and welcome to Sanjay Joy. In this video, I am going to show you how to do individual tax return through your MyGov. In the screen, I'm logging in my MyGov, so you guys can follow it. Yeah, all we know, like filing the tax return might be sound daunting and maybe lengthy, but you guys fear not because I am here to guide you through the process step by step. And the best part is I'm doing my tax return with you guys so that you can just do yours through your MyGov, and I am guiding you step by step here. If you haven't logged your tax return yet, maybe you are already receiving the email from ATO that log in your tax return because it's already October. Today is 15 or 16. So I'm guiding here. It's very easy. And what I believe is if your earning is only from salary, then you do not need to pay your tax agent for your tax return logs because it is very easy and you can do it by yourself and you can get refund as much as tax agent will give you. Click on prepare. When you log in and go to ATO, you will get this screen. So click on prepare and this contact details tab will open for you. So just update your residential details and postal address if you moved out from last year's. So if it differs from last year's, update it. And then bank details also same. If you have changed the bank details, then update it. Go to next. Personalized return. So this is first is residency. It's S. It's already S. So you have spouse, then click on S. Otherwise no. So salary wages and allowance tip, it will. So it comes with tick. So you don't need to do anything. And if you had in personal superannuation, you don't need to do anything here. So you had deduction you want to claim. So here if it not tick, so just tick here you had deduction you want to claim and other deduction as well. So just go to next section now. So this is the most important section where you are going to claim your expenses because income is already came here by pre-filling, so you need to claim your expenses here. So first thing is your main occupation, you have to update there. And then the most important thing I'm going to tell you is about Medicare Levy. So you have to be very careful on it. If you are an international student, just look at here. I'm just going to calculate tax estimating without doing anything. So it's showing 1249.55. I'm owing to the ATO this amount. Right now it's showing this. But the important thing, Medicare and private health insurance. If you are an international student, you are exempt from the Medicare levy. So until and unless you have a Medicare card, you are eligible for Medicare levy exemption. So just click on S here, Medicare levy exemption section. So it will make a huge difference because you're gonna receive 2% of your total income from as a exemption. So number of days 365. An important thing, when you claim the Medicare levy, you have to fill on form as a Medicare levy form and then you have to send it to ATO. So in another video I'll do that. I will make a video how to fill up Medicare levy form. So I'm going to upload that video as well, and I'm going to show you how to email to the ATO and how to fill that form as well. So now as I have already claimed the Medicare levy exemption, then look at this 203 I'm getting refund. Before it was 1200 I'm owing to the ATO. So that's the different Medicare levy exemption made. So first do it, okay, and then just look at the income. So just make sure you received all the income section here. So just to the deduction section now. Work related car expenses. If you have a car, then claim it the car expenses as well. You can do it as a cent per kilometer method. Just you have to write down the kilometer, how many kilometer you drive. So that's the things. And then work related clothing, laundry and dry cleaning expenses. Here without any receipt you can claim up to $150. So do it, claim 150 as a work related uniform. But if you cost like more than 150 or $300 for work related uniform and uniform and you have the invoice, just claim it as well, okay, just put that amount and if they ask then you can show the invoice as well. That's the things. And another thing, without the receipt you can show 300 as a income, as a expenses. So in the expenses section, so do it. If you don't have any expenses as well, you can do that as well. Okay, so let's go to the next section now. If you are starting something and if you are doing the job related to that, then you can claim that as well. For example, if you are studying childcare course and you working as a childcare employee, then you can claim your course fee as well. Okay, so there is some condition, like if you did your diploma already and then you are doing the bachelor childcare, then at that time you can claim, like you can claim as you are doing childcare to improve your knowledge, or to that will help to gain more income. So you can claim that either in here or related self-education section, you can claim that amount. Okay, and if you have any other expenses, you can claim in other work related expenses, such as like you buy some mask or some sanitizer for your work, and then like other maybe you did the CPR and first aid, or if you worked in a health care, then you did the health care course, and then if you did any self training for your job, then you can add that as well in the work related self expenses. So I think you guys got the things up to here and up to here. So this is all here. Okay, this is all about your expenses claiming. So let's go to the next section now. And another thing, if you need to use your phone in your work, then you can claim certain part of your internet and phone bill as well. Here I am going to claim my phone and internet bill because I used my phone most of the time when I'm at work. So you can claim phone and internet bill as well. So you can claim here in the other work related expenses section. Write your description as well, phone and internet bill. And then I said, if you have done first aid and CPR and you paid by yourself, then claim it as well. So I'm claiming here because I did it. This is how you can claim your expenses. So you can see here my expenses list looked like this. So I'm claiming it because I have done these expenses. So after claiming your all expenses, just go down and estimate your tax return. So if you are happy, then proceed it to and lodge it. And if you are not happy about it and you think you missed any expenses, then you just scroll up, go to the other deduction section, and then our work related expenses section, and then claim it again. So if you have an invoice, you don't need to fear. And if you have any donation, then you can also claim that as well. Okay, you have to full amount. You have to send claim as the Medicare Levy form to the ATO. I will show you how to fill Medicare Levy form and where to send through your Gmail in the next video. So keep watching and to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.